Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Garmin GPS device for usage with Tracks for Africa maps. Please note that Tracks for Africa only works on Garmin GPS devices. Here is a list of videos you should watch before continuing with this tutorial. The links are in the video description below.
Simply scroll down and click on the words Show More and you'll see the full video descriptions containing all the links you require.
Added to that, the menu options shown on your GPS device may differ slightly from the screenshots in this video. To start setting up your GPS device, tap the settings icon on the home screen. First, we'll go into the map and vehicle settings. For driving map view settings, you can choose Track Up, North Up, as well as 3D. Track Up will move your vehicle, so if you turn, your map turns. North Up will show the map stationary and only your vehicle will turn. 3D is similar to Track Up, but instead of a 2D view, you get a more realistic 3D view. To change the amount of detail you see on your map, tap Map Detail. Now you can choose between more, normal or less detail. If you scroll down a bit on the map and vehicle menu, you'll find My Maps. Here you can set the active map. Please note that to use Tracks for Africa maps in your Garmin, you'll need to turn off all other maps installed on the GPS device. If not, it can create conflict and system crashes. In this case, you can see I've only left the T4A map activated. The last important setting you need to be aware of is found under Navigation. Calculation mode can be switched between shorter distance or faster time. It is recommended that you select the faster time calculation mode. Shorter distance may not take you along the faster roads all the time, and you may end up driving on some two-spur or bad gravel roads. This was the last video in our trip planning playlist. Please browse through our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials and detailed videos of our Tracks for Africa product line.